Hello everyone and welcome back to Easy English Talk channel, the place where similar words fight and you win the knowledge. I'm Emma.
Hello. Cheerio. Top of the morning to you, Emma.
Rahul, why are you talking like that? And why are you wearing a raincoat inside the studio?
Because, Emma, I am practicing for my new life. Imagine I moved to London. It rains every day. The tea is hot. The buses are red.
Okay, but you haven't actually moved. You're just wet.
I am adapting, Emma. In India, I used to enjoy the sun, but now, in my imagination, I am used to the rain.
Stop. You just used the two magic phrases perfectly. I used to enjoy. I am used to the rain.
I did? I am a genius. But wait, why did I say used to for the sun, but am used to for the rain?
That is the million-dollar question. Today, we're fighting the battle used to versus be used to.
They sound the same, but they're totally different. It's a trap.
It is a trap, but we'll help you escape it. Before we start, we have a request that we are used to making.
Yes, please subscribe to Easy English Talk. You might not be used to clicking the button, but try it. It feels good.
And like the video. Let's start with the first one. I used to. Rahul, tell me about your life before you became this London gentleman.
Well, I used to sleep late. I used to eat spicy curry every day. I used to drive a scooter.
Okay, stop there. Does Rahul sleep late now?
No, now I wake up early to drink tea.
Does Rahul drive a scooter now?
No, I take the red bus.
Perfect. Meaning, used to describes a past habit or past state that is finished. It is not true anymore.
Structure. Subject plus used to plus verb base form. I used to sleep, not sleeping. I used to drive, not driving.
Notice no am, no is, just used to.
Okay, I used to be cool. Now I'm a nerd.
You're still cool, Rahul. Now look at your raincoat. You said, I am used to the rain. Does this mean the rain is in the past?
No, it is raining right now. Look at my umbrella.
So what does it mean?
It means I'm okay with it. I'm accustomed to it. It's normal for me.
Exactly. To be used to means something is familiar or normal. It's not strange or difficult anymore.
Ah, when I first moved to London, the rain was annoying, but now I'm used to it. It's normal.
Meaning familiarity, comfort. Structure, subject, plus be, I am used to, plus to.
And here's the big question, Emma. What comes next? I am used to drive or I am used to driving?
This is the most important rule of the day. If you use be used to, you must follow it with a noun or an ing verb.
What? But used to takes the base verb. I used to drive.
I know, it's confusing. Structure 1, I used to drive, past. Structure 2, I am used to driving, familiarity.
My brain is exploding. Okay, let me try. Old life, past, I used to drive on the right. New life, normal, I am used to driving on the left.
Perfect. Old life, I used to eat early. New life, I am used to eating late.
Why the ing? Why?
Because here, to is a preposition, like I look forward to seeing you. It connects to a noun-like thing.
Okay, I'll memorize it. No be, no ing. I used to go. With be, with ing. I am used to going. I need a mental picture. Used to is an old dusty photo album. The past. Be used to is a comfortable old pair of shoes. It fits perfectly. It feels normal.
That's a brilliant one. I used to wear boots. Photo album. I am used to walking in these shoes. Comfortable shoes.
Okay, past, dust. Present, comfort.
Now there's a third brother, the middle brother. Get used to.
Oh no, another one.
Don't worry, it follows the same rule as be used to, needs ing, but it describes the process, the changing time.
So start, it is strange, middle, I am getting used to it, becoming normal, end, I am used to it, it's normal.
Exactly. Imagine the London rain again. Day 1, I hate this rain. Day 30, I'm getting used to the rain. It's becoming okay. Day 365, I'm used to the rain. Totally fine.
And grammar, I'm getting used to living here, ing.
Yes.
Okay, Emma, quiz me. I'm ready to test my London skills.
I'll give you a situation, you make a sentence. Situation 1. In the past, you drank coffee. Now you don't.
I used to drink coffee. Base verb, no am.
Correct. Situation 2. Driving on the left side of the road was scary, but now it's easy for you.
I am used to driving on the left, ing, with am.
Correct. Situation 3. The subway, the tube, is very crowded. You're still learning to handle it.
I am getting used to taking the subway. Process.
Excellent. Situation 4. You lived in a big house before. Now you live in a tiny apartment.
I used to live in a big house.
And the tiny apartment? Is it normal yet?
No, I am not used to living in this tiny box.
Good use of the negative. I am not used to it.
Emma, do I pronounce them differently? Used to versus used to.
Surprisingly, no. In both cases, we say Yoos-ta. The S sounds like a snake, S, not a buzz, Z, and the D is silent.
I used to go. I am used to going.
Exactly. Don't say I used to. It sounds robotic. Say I used to.
I used to be confused. Now I'm used to grammar.
Rahul, watch out for this mistake. Many students say, I am used to wake up early.
Why is it wrong? It sounds okay.
Because you mixed them. You used am from structure 2 with wake from structure 1. It's illegal.
It's a crime. Option A, I used to wake up, past. Option B, I am used to waking up, normal. Option C, I am used to wake, jail.
Yes, grammar jail for you.
I don't want to go to jail. I'll use the ing. Okay, let's dry off and review.
Let's break it down.
1. Used to, past. Something you did before but stopped. Formula, subject plus used to plus verb base form. I used to eat meat.
2. Be used to, normal. Something is familiar or comfortable. Formula, subject plus be plus used to plus verb ing. I am used to eating tofu.
3. Get used to. Process, becoming comfortable. Formula, subject plus get plus used to plus verb ing. I am getting used to the noise.
4. The pronunciation, used to for all of them.
5. The jail rule. Never say I am used to go, always I am used to going.
Listeners, we want to know about your life changes.
Yes, in the comments below, complete these 2 sentences. I used to, blank, tell us a past habit, but now I am used to, blank. Tell us what is normal for you now.
Example, I used to sleep late, but now I am used to waking up early.
Example, I used to hate English, but now I am used to learning with Rahul.
I hope that one is true.
Please subscribe to Easy English Talk. Get used to our videos.
Bye, everyone.
Cheerio. Sips tea. Ugh, I'm not used to this tea. I want my coffee back.